Before RD, Bollywood music was heavily dominated by classical and traditional Indian sounds. While these sounds were beautiful and intricate, the arrival of the 1970s brought with it a desire for something fresh, something modern and rebellious. Moving into the 1970s, RD Burman's star was about to break through the stratosphere. The words "music" by RD Burman on the film poster became reason enough for audiences to throng to the theatres regardless of the star cast. Lovingly known as Pancham, RD Burman was a musical genius whose influence on Bollywood music is felt till today. Tell me in the comments below which is your favorite RD Burman song, or which RD Burman song should be updated for today and remixed.